All right, it is about 51 degrees outside. It's December 27th, and I did not rake before it snowed this last go around, and my lawn is filled with leaves. So I'm going to rake before it snows and rains this weekend. Here we go. Bagging time. Well, I guess that's it. I only have one bag, so I guess I'll have to finish when I have more bags. There we go.